Okay, so here we are again. So what we have to know is how a whiteboard works. Now a whiteboard works by this pen, which contains a solvent. Generally it's a ketone or an alcohol, and that ketone or alcohol evaporates very quickly. So what happens when it evaporates is it leaves behind this red colour, and this red colour is in the form of a powder, a bit like chalk. So I don't know whether you can see that, but I'm going to take all of that away, and you can see very faintly over there some red powder that's on my hands. So if we look at our ramekin like that on a glossy surface like that, and I've drawn my stickman, what happens is that the alcohol evaporates, just like I showed you, to leave a powder, but the powder is stuck gently to the bottom of the ramekin. And then I pour my water in, and because the water dribbles in gently down the side and then dribbles along the base, what it does is when it gets to the stickman, it manages to pick it up off the surface and allows it to float. And because all the ink is joined together, the powdered ink is joined together, it maintains its shape. Now, it took me a few goes to do this, but I'm sure you can have lots of fun, and it's a great way to build up perseverance. So, have fun. So here's my little stickman floating around in the water, and as I said, the water allows the stickman to float. So we had our stickman at the bottom of our ramekin, and we poured water into it, and we poured it down the sides so it dribbled, and as it gently dribbled down the sides and coated the bottom, the stickman began to float. And it will stay floating for a long time, because all this is a powder of pigment, of colour, that is stuck together by electrostatic forces and the surface tension of the water. Have fun. See which colours work best. I think red does, but I'm not certain. Bye.